Hello everyone, Glamp Review here. I'm Jamie.
I'm Tanya.
And this is our very first giveaway. This is a live premiere, which is similar to a live stream. This is pre-recorded, but it goes out live like a live stream. So there's a live chat right now. So if anybody wants to chat, ask us questions, we're gonna be watching along with you at this moment, and we'll answer any questions that you may have. It could be about these prizes, it could be about anything. So live chat is there. So basically, this is like a live stream, it's just pre-recorded. We're doing a first place prize, a second, and a third place prize, and I'm gonna let Tanya take it away. What is first place prize, Tanya?
A Camco heated water hose. It's $118 value.
$118 value. We've used this there in the cooler months, but this is also a hose that can be used all season.
Second prize is a Camco Rhino sewer kit. It's a $112 value.
Same sewer kit that we use, but not the same sewer hose we use. You don't want the same sewer hose.
And then
Do we need to start over?
Y'all just hit to ignore Jamie's corniness. I'm sorry.
We've done this is like the fourth or fifth take right now. We are completely unscripted. Not the exact same hose because
We've been using it since 2022.
This is not the same hose that we use though. It's a brand new hose. This is the third place prize.
Don't do your corniness.
Huh?
Don't do your corniness to get me laughing.
Okay. And Tanya, what is today? Leave the corn out. Tanya says leave the corn out.
The third prize is the canopy we use at the beach. It's a $79 value.
And this is a crowd favorite. Everybody wants this tent. This is a tent that has held up for us for years. Mm-hmm. We've used it a lot at the beach. We've used a lot of different tents through the years, different umbrellas and all that, and the beach can be absolutely brutal. This has been one that has held up. We've had this held up in really strong winds. Mm-hmm. Our little tent looks like a sailboat here. I gotta go let the sail out and set that tent on. I'm coming. We got a storm coming in. We gotta back down the hatches. We got a storm coming through. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna try out and see how strong let the wall do. It holds up under winds. It's just been a great one. So you have a chance to win it. So depending on who you are, this could be first place, but we're considering it as third place, but it might be first place to you.
Yep.
And so now we're going to go over the rules and how you register to win. No purchase necessary to enter or win. A subscription will not increase your chances of winning. Subscribing to Glamp Review's YouTube channel is appreciated, but is not required to enter or win. This giveaway is sponsored and administered solely by Glamp Review. The promotion is not sponsored, endorsed, administered by, or associated with YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or any brand from which giveaway items were purchased. The giveaway is open only to legal residents of the contiguous United States, the lower 48, who are 18 years of age or older at the time of entry. Void where prohibited by law. The giveaway begins March 21st, 2026, which is today, and ends at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on April 12th, 2026. 3 winners will be selected in a random drawing conducted live during a Glamp Reviews live stream on April 16th, 2026 at 8:00 p.m. Eastern Time. Winners will be announced live during that broadcast. To enter the win, simply just like the Glamp Reviews Facebook page, comment camping on the official giveaway post on Facebook. Tagging a friend is optional but encouraged. Entries must be submitted on the official Facebook giveaway post. Limit 1 entry per person and per household. Fake accounts, duplicate accounts, automated entries, or suspicious activities may result in disqualification. Glamp Review reserves the right to verify eligibility and entry validation. Winners must contact Glamp Review via Facebook Messenger within 48 hours of announcement to claim their prize. Winners will be required to provide a valid shipping address for prize fulfillment. Failure to respond within the stated timeframe may result in a forfeit of the prize and a selection of an alternate winner. Glamp Review reserves the right to disqualify any participant who uses multiple or fraudulent accounts, provides false information, attempts to manipulate or disrupt the giveaway process. Glamp Review is not responsible for lost, delayed, stolen, or damaged shipments once the prize has been transferred to the shipping carrier. By entering, participants agree to release and hold harmless Glamp Review and all social media platforms mentioned from any liability arising from participation in the giveaway of acceptance or use of any prize. By accepting a prize, winners grant Glamp Review's permission to use their first name and social media handle for promotional purposes without additional compensation unless prohibited by law. Winners may optionally submit photos featuring their prizes for possible use on Glamp Review's social media.
Giving away all these different items is our way of giving back to you, of showing you of the appreciation that we have, that you have been sticking with us for so long. And some of you are brand new, but you've been sticking through and been watching all of our videos. And it's very, very meaningful to us that you've done that. And this is our way of giving back. Now, as we get larger and we get more subscribers and more views, the prizes will get better. So we'll do more of these in the future, possibly, and the prizes will get better and all that good stuff. So just wanted to let you know that, you know, we were meaning to do this when we hit 5,000 subscribers, and we just never got around to doing it. So now we're at 6,600 subscribers currently. I'm not sure what we're actually at while you're watching this, but as we get larger, then the prizes will get larger. These are actually really good. The tent. Love that tent. Y'all gonna love that tent. Whoever wins that tent.
And we've also met a lot of y'all out there too, and thank you for all the kind words.
Yes. So we like meeting you at the campsites. So if you see us, don't be ashamed, don't be afraid to come up and talk to us, because we like talking. You know that, because you see me on video. I'm talking all the time.
Yeah.
I overtalk Tanya half the time. Sorry. I just sometimes just like to hear myself talk. So you know that my hobby is making these awesome videos, and I've been doing this for a long time. We started a little small business back in 2003. It's called Prim Video, and so we've been shooting like weddings, dance recitals, school plays, some corporate stuff. We've done some documentaries for different people, and we love it. It's really been more my thing. Tanya's been my assistant. She comes along, she helps me out, but it's really been more my thing. And so when we started the YouTube channel, it was a way of me being able to do something for us, but mostly me, because it's kind of like my hobby. So it was a way of me being able to do something that I've always wanted to do for myself. I just never had an idea of what to do. I was like, man, I never even thought about doing YouTube. We bought our camper, and we didn't buy our camper in the thought of doing a YouTube channel. That actually came later. I did watch other people's YouTube channels before we bought a camper and all that, but it actually kind of gave me an idea when I started watching other channels, and I was like, man, I love camping. We need to do that. I could do that. So we started our YouTube channel basically from that. So now Tanya has started her hobby, and so we want to show a little bit of what her hobby is. This is something that she's been wanting to do for a while. She's very crafty and very artistic, and so she has a few items here that she's going to start trying to sell, and we kind of want to fill it out and see how what you think about this, if this is something that you would be interested in buying. And I'll let Tanya take it away from here.
So I've been doing these little Mod Podge bunny rabbits. I've got them in different designs here.
So these are for Easter.
Easter.
And I like that they're sized that they can fit in an RV or camper, so that you're like, when you're traveling, you can, they're lightweight, they're small.
Chicken.
Yeah, just little decorative things.
Just little decorative things to sit
I like
around
the
in
little
the
chicken.
camper. Yeah.
Chicken looks good. And I like the carrot too.
Yeah.
Carrot. Chicken and the carrot's my favorites.
So if this is something you're interested in, just message me on Facebook through the Glamp Review Facebook page, and we'll let you know how I can get them shipped to you.
Yeah, so we're currently trying to figure this all out with our business, Prim Video business. We use Square for all of our transactions. We'll probably use a Square page for her. She'll have her own Square page. It won't be Prim Video Square page. So she'll have her own little Square page once we get it all figured out, we'll put that on Facebook and kind of let you know. It's basically just something she's just trying to just see and fill out if this is something that would be worth doing. You love doing this stuff. You've been working on these things for the last 2 weeks in her office here at home.
Yep, and I've got more upstairs of the same thing. So I think I'm gonna have about 4 or 5 little chickens that I'll have, and I'll have about 2 eggs and 2 carrots, and I think about 5 or 6 rabbits that'll be available once I get them all done. So
cool. And I'm being distracted right now because there's a ladybug that has been flying around and it's getting on the screen back here, and it looks
that's
huge.
one of them Asian ladybugs.
Asian ladybugs or something.
Yeah.
Our house is being invaded by these ladybugs, or your house is being invaded by ladybugs. We even have them get in the camper too. The camper sits out here in our driveway, and they're getting in there. But anyway, so those are our hobbies. You know mine, now you know Tanya's. And so we're kind of like trying to fill out a few different things to see how that goes.
Yep.
As we wrap up this live event, let me show you one more time about the heated water hose. So the heated water hose can be used seasonally. You don't have to use it. You don't have to plug it up to heat the water. But this is really good when the water is cold, whenever you're camping in cooler areas. Because when you're camping in the mountains in the wintertime,
You have to have one of these.
you have to have one of these because the water will freeze solid in your water hose, and you can't get any water in your camper. Now I know a lot of people say, well, I'll just use my own storage water and not have to worry about it, but it's really convenient to have this to where you don't have to deal with having the storage tank. But you have a chance to win one. And then the sewer hose, we've been using that for so long now. I love the way it works. This thing's been really reliable. So the best prize is the beach canopy to me. I absolutely love this thing. We do not go down to the beach without this canopy. And
It's compact, it's lightweight,
yes.
and
so
it's easy
perfect.
to set up.
Yes, it's perfect because it doesn't take up much space in your camper. It doesn't weigh a lot, so it doesn't add a whole lot of extra cargo weight. And it's easy to carry down to the beach. Well, thank you for watching. Now be sure to go over to Facebook and enter to win, and good luck. We're unscripted. This is completely unscripted, so who knows what's going to happen. We got 2 wild cats running around here getting into everything. So anything can happen.
Sam, what you doing, bud? Huh? Hey, buddy.
Who are 18 years old of age, I can't even read. We're unscripted, and Annie wanted to say hey, so here's Annie. You want to say anything to your public? She said, put me down. And check out the videos on the screen, wherever they might be.